A very good morning to the honorable judges. My name is Akshaya and these are my young scientist teammates Netira, Danish, Miss Shalini, Miss Shantini and Taravin. We are from SJKT in Samandan. Today we are super excited to introduce you something really cool. It's called PIAS, the Portable Intrusion Alert System.
But with PIAS, it's like having your own superior gadget that you can carry around with you. So no matter where in your house, PIAS is there to keep you safe. It's portable, which means you can take it wherever you go. And unlike traditional alarms, PIAS doesn't just answer alarm. It sends alerts to your phone using an app called Telegram. So you will always know if something's up, even if you're not in the same room as the alarm. Here's how it works. Let's say someone tries to sneak into your house. PIAS has special sensors that can detect movements or strange noises. If it senses something fishy, it goes beep beep to let you know. And at the same time, it sends a message to your phone using an app called Telegram. But wait, there's more. You can also set up a special group on Telegram with your family, friends, and maybe even your neighbors. So, if PIAS sees something weird, it tells everyone in the group. It's like having your own superhero team ready to swoop in and save the day.
With PIAS, you don't have to worry about being alone in your house anymore. It's like having a little guardian angel watching over you wherever you go in your house. And because it's portable, you can take it with you when you move around in your house. Maybe you are playing in your room 1 minute, then making snacks in the kitchen. The next PIAS goes with you, keeping you safe all the time. Plus, even if you don't hear the alarm, your phone will let you know if something's up. So you can feel safe and secure, no matter what. Now, you might be wondering, how can PIAS make a profit? Well, let me tell you. PIAS can be sold to households, schools, offices, and even small business. With its innovative features and convenience, it's sure to attract customers who prioritize safety and security. Additionally, we can offer subscription base for advanced features such as 24/7 monitoring and customized alerts. With the increasing demand for smart home security solutions, PIAS has the potential to generate significant revenue and become a market leader in the industry.
So there you have it. PIAS is not just any alarm system. It is your buddy, your protector, your superhero gadget, all rolled into one. As for future development plan, our dedication to innovation propels ongoing enhancement to PIAS, including advancement in threat detection, customization, and integration with smart device. We are also exploring strategic partnerships to enrich PIAS experience and bolster user safety, underscoring our commitment to advancing personal security and empowering individuals. Thanks for listening, everyone. Hope you're excited about PIAS just like us.